Okay, Ken Wilshire, All-America Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. Over here in Kansas City, Missouri, we got one that the coating's failing on. We're going to have to strip it back down to the original porcelain and then reglaze it and then repair some spots here, especially where this shower door was and different places. So we'll keep you posted. Okay, I got the old Gentile in here getting her sanded down. How's it looking so far, buddy?
Looking pretty good.
You gonna be able to feather?
Yeah.
Feather. This is holding tough.
Off the bottom.
Yeah.
So the rest of it.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, Scott just did some fishing, and he caught something. Boy, that's straight nastiness there, boy. That's part of it. The other's in there. But this tub ought to drain real good now.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, well, Scott's done some extensive filling here. We encapsulated the drain sleeve, and then we did got all the chips and the scratches, micro scratches, so keep you posted. Okay, we're sanding it down now. We gotta make sure that thing's gonna fit on there. Looking good. Okay, Ken Wilshire, All-America Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com, over in Kansas City, Missouri. And here's the finished product right here. Looks brand spanking new, man. This thing's fantastic. And customer loves it. So this block wall is giving some weird shadows, but this thing's flat. Extensive prep on this thing, man. So I'm even impressed myself, man, with the quality of the tubs we're doing these days. Just you know, all these years of doing it is really paid off, man. So anyway, looks really, really good.